everyone, and a warm welcome back to Decor Puzzle 2.0, your sanctuary of exquisite home decor ideas where creativity knows no bounds. In today's episode, we are venturing into an aesthetic universe where artistry meets comfort. We are diving deep into the enchanting world of eclectic bathroom designs, a realm where every corner tells a story, where the old meets the new, and where every piece is a puzzle of art waiting to complete your perfect home picture. Before we embark on this journey of transformation and inspiration, don't forget to hit the like button, share the joy with your friends, and subscribe to Decor Puzzle 2.0, where we continuously strive to bring your home dreams to life. Now, sit back, relax, and allow us to guide you through a picturesque journey filled with innovation, creativity, and style. In the vast universe of interior design, the eclectic style stands as a beacon of creativity and personal expression. It's where diverse eras, cultures, and styles intertwine harmoniously, creating spaces that resonate with uniqueness and character. When applied to bathrooms, this style transforms them from mere functional spaces to personal sanctuaries bursting with life and personality. Embarking on the road to crafting an eclectic bathroom, we first stumble upon the mesmerizing world of color palettes. Eclectic design generously allows the intertwining of numerous hues, ranging from soft pastels to vibrant, spirited colors. Let's pause and appreciate a bathroom echoing the depth of the ocean, with deep blues harmoniously coexisting with golden accents, portraying a sense of calmness intertwined with a touch of royalty. But the eclectic style does not just stop here. It encourages you to be bolder, to embrace colors with open arms. Picture a bathroom space adorned with fiery red tiles, a daring choice yet so captivating, providing a stark yet beautiful contrast to the sleek modern fixtures that accompany it. Journeying further, we find ourselves immersed in the vibrant world of textures and materials. The eclectic style is akin to a canvas waiting to be painted with a rich array of materials. Here, the raw appeal of natural stone counters marries the warmth of wooden cabinets, creating an alluring dance of textures that is both rustic and contemporary. Imagine the rustic charm of a vintage wooden mirror frame partnering with the sleek elegance of modern marble countertops. Picture the fascinating interplay of light and shadow as it dances across intricate mosaic tiles each morning, promising a day filled with inspiration and beauty. As we progress, let us delve into the fascinating world of fixtures and fittings, where the eclectic style truly comes to life. Here, you are the maestro conducting an orchestra of elements that range from vintage mirrors exuding an old-world charm to modern taps that add a touch of contemporary elegance to your bathroom space. Envision a space where a classic pedestal sink stands proudly, accompanied by a state-of-the-art frameless mirror, a pairing that creates a visual symphony, striking the perfect balance between the old and new. Add to this symphony a chandelier echoing tales from a bygone era, illuminating your space with a warm, golden glow, promising comfort and luxury with every flicker. As we venture deeper, we encounter the realm of furniture and accessories, an arena where your eclectic bathroom can truly shine with individuality. Imagine a space adorned with a vintage vanity, standing as a testament to time, paired elegantly with a modern, minimalist shelf holding an array of your favorite scents and potions. Think of an open shelf displaying a vibrant collection of towels, a rainbow against the serene backdrop of your bathroom wall. Picture a corner adorned with a lush, green plant, adding a burst of life and freshness to your eclectic space, a reminder of nature's beauty and vitality. As we near the end of our journey, we find ourselves in the enlightening domain of lighting and flooring, where the eclectic style conjures an ambience that is both serene and vibrant. Visualize a space bathed in the soft glow of pendant lights, casting shadows that play hide and seek on the intricate patterns of your Moroccan tile flooring. Imagine the cool touch of heated flooring underfoot as you step into your sanctuary, a blend of technology and luxury that brings comfort to a whole new level. Picture your bathroom transformed into an oasis, where the interplay of light and flooring creates a symphony of comfort and elegance, a place where every day begins with inspiration and ends with relaxation. As we reach the pinnacle of our voyage, allow us to share some golden nuggets of wisdom to help you embark on your eclectic bathroom design journey. Remember, the key to a successful eclectic space is balance. Allow different eras and styles to mingle, but ensure a harmonious flow that ties the elements together. Start with a neutral base, gradually adding layers of textures, colors, and accents. Don't shy away from experimenting with bold combinations. After all, the eclectic style is all about breaking the norms and setting new trends. Keep an eye out for unique pieces during your travels or visits to antique shops, pieces that resonate with your personality, pieces that transform your bathroom into a canvas portraying your life's journey. As we draw to a close on this inspiring journey, we hope you find the courage to step out of the conventional bounds and embrace the vibrant world of eclectic bathroom designs. Remember, your home is a reflection of your unique personality, a canvas waiting to be painted with the vibrant hues of your life's experiences. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. If you found inspiration in this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Puzzle 2.0 for more such exciting adventures in the world of home decor. Until next time, happy decorating!